I want to show you some tips for using print then cut projects. This is a cutting image from Cricut Design Space. If I flatten it, it changes the whole thing to a print then cut. The problem is because of the way I flattened it by just clicking on this button, it's going to still want to cut each individual color and cut inside here. So if I undo that and I add an offset, doesn't even have to be a big one. Let's go like super, super small. And then I say apply. If I take that offset and change it to white, now I'm going to take that offset and contour. And what I'm doing is closing off all the inner pieces. This is because I want this design to be on a solid shape. Okay, so now let's take a look at this. If I go up to the top of the Best Mom SVG and turn that off, you can see the shape behind it is solid. There's no openings in it. So now if I select everything and say flatten, it's going to print all of these details, but just cut around the outer edge. Another tip for you, if you wanted to make more than one of these, don't make multiples back in the Design Space canvas. Change your project number and just hit apply. Now let's say you don't have a home printer, but you need to print these out so you can cut it on your Cricut. When you click continue and click send to printer, you can go up here and change this print setting so it doesn't go to your printer but goes to a PDF. So now when I print, a whole PDF making thing pops up and I can save that PDF somewhere on my desktop. Then I can email that PDF to my friend who does have a home printer and they can print it out for me. Then when I go to make this project and actually cut it, there'll be a pop-up that comes here that asks me if I already printed it out. And I can just click yes, that I've already printed it. And then it'll move on to the cutting phase. Before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I love to hear from you.